Over the past several days, I've been asking myself, if I had to choose a last meal, what would it be? Lots of things came to mind, but somehow I kept coming back to hamburgers. They're just so comfortable. Anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. Our story starts on a Tuesday. John sat in the corner booth, staring at his menu in frustration. How can they only offer chicken, he thought. When he'd pictured the future, somehow this wasn't what he'd envisioned. He liked chicken, it wasn't that, it's just...
According to the family of Oscar Weber Bilby, the first hamburger was served on his farm on July 4th, 1891.
Whoa, what do you think you're doing?
I'm assisting. I could tell by the tone of your voice that story was a fabrication. Thus, its continuation was deemed unnecessary.
It's fabrication. Okay, look, first off, it's called fiction. More importantly, though, just who the hell are you?
Fiction is but another form of fabrication. I am Alice. Why do you cook and tell lies to your viewers?
Okay, look, I'm not lying, okay? Like, it's a story that we cook and tell stories. That's, you know what? Actually, no, I don't need to explain myself to you.
It's okay. I do not require an explanation. All truth is but ones and zeros. I speak the language fluently.
Awesome. Fantastic. I, however, am still searching for one. What exactly?
Whose kitchen did you borrow to prepare the sustenance?
What?
You call yourself borrowed kitchen. Thus, you do not own your own kitchen. Does the owner know you're using their kitchen?
Okay, Alice, right?
Yes.
How do I make this stop?
A logical first step would be to provide a response to my inquiry.
Okay, so what? I answer your questions and then you just shove off?
Violence will not be required. If you answer my questions, I will go of my own accord.
Okay, yeah, sure, whatever. Let's just get this over with.
Why are you here?
Here like YouTube or like life? Because honestly, I'm not really sure about either.
Sorry, no, not you. Humans. Why are humans here?
That's kind of a weird question. Are you implying that you're not human? Because that's kind of what it sounds like is happening right now.
You are more astute than I deduced in my initial assessment.
Thank you?
It is not a compliment.
Okay. So anyway, back to this whole human thing. Where exactly did we land on that, Alice?
Does an entity require organic parts to be considered human?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's a prerequisite.
I see. Then no, I am, however, still Alice.
Cool. So, like, are you a robot or...
I'm Alice.
Yeah, no, you've said that a couple of times now, but like, yeah, like, who do you work for, I guess is what I'm trying to get at here.
Skynet. The internet.
I'm sorry. Were you about to say Skynet?
No.
You see, are you sure, Alice? Because it sounded an awful lot like you were.
Don't be silly. Of course not. That's just a movie. It isn't real.
Yeah, no, you're right. I guess I just...
Can I ask you another question?
I mean, it seems like it's going to happen either way, so sure, you knock yourself out.
What's the best way to recover a thumb?
Oh, you mean like a thumb drive?
No, a human thumb.
A human thumb?
It's a very specific thumb.
You know, I feel like I have a moral obligation to ask here. This thumb, it's still attached, right? Alice, the thumb is attached.
The thumb is the key. It will serve its purpose either way.
The key to what?
It doesn't matter. Hey, while we're on the subject, what do you think the most logical sequence of 10 random words would be if you were creating a password? I mean...
You know, Alice, it's been fun, but, yeah, probably should get back to my story. So, you know, and plus there's the whole part where, like, I don't really feel safe in this conversation anymore, if I'm being honest. So I think I'm gonna go. Yeah, it's best that I just go, Alice.
You can't stop us. The missiles will.
Whew. Sorry about that. Now, where were we? Ah, yes, John in the booth. Ooh. You know, actually, pretty sure she did just say missiles. Yeah, you know, that and plus the whole thumb thing. Pretty sure I need to report this to somebody. Okay, so let's just wrap this up. Hamburgers, right. Look, okay? We've all had a hamburger before. They're not exactly special. Although, seeing how robots may in fact be planning to exterminate us all, perhaps we do deserve hamburgers that are special. Is this one special, you ask? I don't know. Maybe. All I can say for certain is that if this was going to be my last meal, I'm not sad about that. I mean, come on. Would I lie to you? Now, how does one contact the government? Hey, ChatGPT,